Okay, has everybody got the sample research paper in front of them? I see you have, you have, you have. Good, we all have. Excellent. We should also be looking at the research paper guidelines because I'm going to focus on a few things from the guidelines for this particular video. One of which is the title page. That's the very first guideline. Luckily, everything is pretty self-explanatory in terms of what you need to include. I want you to notice on the title page, on the upper left-hand corner, the words running head, colon, and then the title of my paper. Also notice that on the upper right-hand corner of the title page is 1. That is the page. So just bear that in mind. Also, the second thing you need to include in your research paper is the abstract. The abstract is a paragraph that summarizes what is going to be included in the rest of your research paper. So that is the abstract. And then the third thing that you'll be including is the introduction. Fortunately, you've all had the chance to create a rough draft introduction. So for your actual paper, as you see in the research paper guidelines, you need some kind of quote, statistic, or statement. Now, what do we mean by statistic? Well, a statistic is anything that gives us numeric information, such as a percentage or a ratio. That's what's meant by statistic. Quote and statement, well, we know what they both are. So that's the first thing you'll need to include in your introduction. And then you'll be including pretty much what you've already covered in your rough draft. Why is this topic significant? On what will the paper specifically focus? And the goal in reporting on this information. So that's important to remember in terms of the introduction.